VQ family. How y'all doing, man? I hope y'all doing good, gang. Let's just say first off, appreciate y'all for 1,050 subscribers, man. Y'all are goats, man. Much love, gang. Much appreciated, gang. But you know, I'm never gonna chat y'all ears off. You know what I mean? I'm always gonna get straight to the point, straight to the story. You know what I mean? So as I can see by that intro clip, man, the G did hit the dyno on 105 degrees. Well, it was 98 degrees that day, and 105 degrees in the shop. So I'm gonna let that sink in for a minute, but before I tell y'all the numbers, you know what I'm saying? Way too hot to even do a fourth gear pull. Fourth gear is 1-to-1, so the car was not dynoed in 1-to-1. The car was actually dynoed in third gear. Third gear on E85, the car put down 580 wheel and 415 foot-pounds of torque, bro. On a third gear freaking pull, man. So if this shit was dynoed in a 1-to-1 ratio, it would probably been putting down like anywhere from 615 to probably 620 wheel. Well, maybe not 620, it probably putting down like 650 wheel, because on the 1-to-1 you get anywhere from 30 to 40 wheel more horsepower from, it's probably realistically pushing like 615 wheel right now, so. But that's not it though. You know we want more power. I know a while ago I said my goal was 600 wheel flat, but man, I ain't gonna lie, the car's not gonna be on E all the time unless I'm racing, so I mean, why not just have like a kill map for like 630, 640 wheel, bro. So when we first started to send the car out, man, the trans wasn't bad, the torque converter was bad, so they had done the pump gas pull in the car made 540 wheel and basically 400 foot-pounds of torque, and the converter just shit the bed. Once we get the 8-pound pulley, we turn up the boost some more when it gets a little colder, maybe in September, end of September, October, and then we head back over to Vinny 10. Then he can actually get to dyno the car in fourth gear when it's not crazy hot, because you know fourth gear does like what, 125, almost 130, so he's not trying to cook the internals, he said, so he didn't want to do a fourth gear before it was crazy hot. So I appreciate that, man. He was really looking out for me, and I'm not mad at all, man. You know what I'm saying? The car now has an upgraded flex plate, a LOJ flex plate, and 1110 torque converter. He probably should be putting in like 630 wheels, so we'll see, man. I just want to have that dyno sheet just for bragging rights, you know. That ego club, the 600 wheel club, so you know we have to have that. But yeah, man. Without further ado though, let's get into this video. And enough yapping, what's up with the RSX though? Went ahead and got some motor mounts, gang. Let me pop the hood and show y'all what's up though. Went ahead and got some eBay motor mounts. They're actually really nice, man. As y'all can see, I'm about to show y'all some clips of how they handle it. I'm in the engine mount right there. The training mount right there. Then I get an okay, but I made that for myself. And again, car's running nice. Just changed the spark plugs. And yeah, again, I'm gonna take y'all on this little POV drive and let y'all see how she drives, man. She handles great. No more wheel hop. Like, it feels like a race car now, to be honest. I ain't gonna lie. I love it. That was a good fucking run, bro. Yo, yeah, under 50. 50. it. Yeah. Ready for VTEC? Recoil is crazy. The gas station light always here, gang. Hey, can y'all tell something different about the car, gang? Beat that though. Fitment gang. Finally dropped some pictures on that hole. That looking nice too. Fire, bro. Yeah, gang. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. I hope y'all enjoyed that video, man. And a whole lot in store, man. Gonna go pick up the G here in about a couple days to a week. And then, yeah, start dropping content. The Lamb with the SVJ is just keeping the garage warm for the G, you know what I'm saying? Always, like and subscribe. Peace.